Welcome to the powerful world of the Mould King 13130 V8 engine. This isn't just a model, it's a deep dive into the mechanics of a high performance machine, all from over 2700 pieces. Watch the heart of this beast come to life. The detailed V8 piston configuration is a masterpiece of engineering. Every piston moves in perfect synchronization, giving you a clear view of how an internal combustion engine truly works. But the real magic is in the transmission. It features a fully functional gearbox. With a simple shift, you can manually change gears from the low first gear all the way up to the fourth. Feel the click as you engage new gear, changing the speed ratio and demonstrating the principles of a real car's transmission. It's an incredible hands-on experience that brings these complex concepts to life. The Mould King 13130 is more than just a build. It's a testament to the beauty of mechanical design packed with incredible detail and interactive features. This is where engineering and fun collide.